I'm KinzeyRae. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be installing this wig that I got from Unice Hair. So they sent me over a 24-inch kinky straight wig with 4C baby hair. And one thing that I love about Unice, they definitely hook you up with like all the necessities that you need to install the hair. So here's how the hair looks straight out of the packaging, and I definitely love how natural this hair looks. The baby hair is 4C, so it definitely gives you a very natural hairline. I also loved how soft and easy to comb through this hair was, and the texture is so nice. I haven't even done anything to this wig and it just already looks so nice and shiny. Also, it comes with an elastic band and adjustable straps and clips, so it definitely has a lot of security. So enough about that, let's go ahead and get into the installation. As you guys can see, I've already braided my hair down, and these are some old braids, so I didn't want to show y'all because I was ashamed. But braided my hair down and I put on the wig cap. Now I'm just using this adhesive spray by Ebin. I used to use the Gots to Be Glued free spray, but I've just found that this one just works a little better for me. I'm not going to really get too in detail with the ball cap method. I do have a more detailed tutorial. I'll definitely leave that one linked below, and I'll put it above if you guys want to see like the full ball cap method process. But right now I'm just kind of breezing through it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into the hair. So this is the hair on my head. I literally did not wash it or anything. This is straight from the box. The only thing that I did do is use some lace tint spray just so that the lace can match my skin tone a little better. So now I'm just kind of combing out the baby hairs and separating them from the rest of the hairline. And then I'm going to go in with that adhesive spray again and then just begin to glue down the lace. And I like to spray it underneath it, and I also like to spray it along the hairline. And I like to make sure that I have all of the hairs going in the direction that I need them to go in before I go in with the blow dryer, because after that everything just gets stuck, and I just like to make sure everything is where it needs to be. So then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to each side and just get everything laid down. So after that I just cut off the lace. My camera unfortunately died during that process, but again I do have a very detailed wig install video that I'll have linked below. This one is more so just like a hairstyle tutorial. So I just went ahead and parted 2 small sections in the front of my hair. I'm also going to part 2 small sections on each side of my hair. Then I'm just separating my hair across the middle so I can do like a really cute half up, half down look. And again, I love how soft and easy this hair was to manage and comb through. So now I'm just brushing the hair up and getting it nice and sleek. I'm using a wax stick to kind of just lay the hairs down a little better. I'm also going to use my hot comb just to make sure that I don't really have any bumps or lumps. And then I'm using my brush to slick everything back. Now that I have everything how I want it, I'm going to be using this curling iron as a wand curler. And funny story, I was actually on my way to the beauty supply store to go buy a wand curler. But then I was like, I just really need to start being more resourceful, because these curls literally came out just like wand curls. So if you have a curling iron that's like this size or maybe a little bigger, a little smaller, you can literally just use it as a wand curl. And some people probably already knew that, but to me, I just thought that I just had to go buy a wand curl to get these curls. But this little curling iron did the job. And for this style, I kind of wanted like a more messy, like effortless kind of look, so I wasn't really being like too perfect with the curls. So after I finished curling the back of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the ponytail. And for the ponytail, I'm gonna be clipping it up, so I'm really just focusing on curling the ends of it, because I'm gonna be doing like the claw clip method and pinning the hair up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work through this section. And y'all, I don't know what song I was listening to, but obviously I was feeling it. So now that I'm done curling my hair, I'm going to be taking a clip and just pinning this section of my hair up because I wanted like a cute little half up, half down claw clip updo kind of look. So I just twisted the hair up and then pinned it with this clip. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take my two pieces in the front and I'm putting a little wax on them just to help them lay down and look nice and sleek. I also use the sides of my flat iron just to kind of mold it into place. Then I'm going to curl these two pieces. So after I finished curling everything and I had it all how I wanted it, I just started playing with the hair a little bit, pinning up some pieces with some bobby pins and just getting it to how I wanted it. I went ahead and did my makeup and this is how the finished result turned out. So I think it came out so cute. This was my first time trying a style like this, especially using a frontal because I'm mostly like a closure or leave out type of girl. So I was very proud of myself that this came out so nicely. I just think that like curly kind of updo styles are just really in right now. Kind of like the 90s kind of looks is really trendy and that's kind of what I was going for. And again, this hair is from Unice Hair. This is their 24-inch kinky straight hair with 4C baby hair, and I have it in a 13 by 4-inch lace frontal, and it is 150% density. So I definitely recommend that you guys check this hair out. I'll have all of the information down below in my description box along with the discount code. So definitely let me know if you guys like this hairstyle. Let me know if you have any questions. Just leave them down below and I will definitely get back to you. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.